Yeah, I was happy that the All India Trade Union Congress also came with the Panchayat workers. All Goa Panchayat Employees Union, led by their president Santosh Naik and Christopher Fonseca, General Secretary again. And they also were very positive in their approach, and they listed certain of their demands. They know some of the demands I have considered, other demands I am in the process of implementing it, and they also were quite happy with the outcome. And they also left with the assurance that they will not agitate. And I said, whatever their demands are, those demands also, as far as possible, we will fulfill. Basically, it is the faith of the employees or the workers on the government. I am happy that they have faith in the government, and they have faith in the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant and me as the concerned minister, which makes me even more content that we are able to resolve the issues. So, first of all, you imagine if there was a strike by Kadamba, how much of disruption would have been there, how much of problem would have been there. If there was a strike by all the Panchayat employees, again there would have been a problem. The very fact that they have agreed to cooperate, I will also very sincerely try to do as much as possible for their welfare and try to align them with the 7th Pay Commission errors as well as other benefits that should actually accrue to them. माझ्याकडे दोन लेटर आहा signed by Chandrakant Chodankar, who is the president, and Christopher Fonseca, who is the general secretary. KTC Drivers and Allied Employees Association. ते फाल्यांसून स्ट्रायकार वचपाचे आसले. हांवें तेंचे कडेन आज सकाळीं मिटींग दवरली आनी तेंची फूल कमिटी येवन तेंची मागणी कितें आसा आनी कितें आमी तेंकां दिवपाक शकता हेजें स्पश्टपणे आमी एक स्पश्टीकरण करून घेतलें आनी तेजेर तेणी मान्य केलें की दे वील कॉल ऑफ द स्ट्रायक. द स्ट्रायक हॅज बीन कॉल्ड ऑफ, सो दे वील बी नो स्ट्रायक वॉट्सएवर फ्रॉम KTC. म्हाका तेणी सगल्यांनी उतर दिला. हांव आभारी आसा बाब चंद्रकांत चोडणकर प्रेसिडेंट, तशेंच बाब क्रिस्टोफर फोन्सेका खास करून, आनी तेंची आख्खी कमिटी जी आयली तेणी सांगलें वी हॅव नो इंटेंशन ऑफ पनिशींग द फंक्शनींग ऑफ गुड फंक्शनींग ऑफ कदंबा ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन. वी हॅव फेथ इन द गव्हर्मेंट. वी हॅव हॅड मिटिंग्स प्रायर टू दीस with also our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, as well as with the Chief Secretary and the other officials as well. आज माझ्या बरोबर ट्रान्सपोर्ट डायरेक्टर आशिल्ले प्रविमाल अभिषेक आनी कदंबा मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर बाब खासकर, आनी तेन्ना आमी सारके एक एक पॉयंट घेवन स्पश्टीकरण सारकें अशें जालें what we can give them, what we cannot give them. The main demand was to give them errors of 7th Pay Commission, also to give them the contribution to PF as it was in the past. दोन्ही आमी accept केला, पण तेंकां आमी एक सांगला, as far as your demand of errors from we have agreed as in case of others up till 2018, 2016 to 18 that is a gap remaining. ते आमी तेंकां कितें सांगला, we are going to go digital. We are going to get efficiency in functioning of Kadamba. We are confident if certain reforms which I have proposed in the last KTC board meeting, if they are implemented, we expect a revenue jump of about 20%. The same model has been adopted in Maharashtra as well. Once this is done and we are able to achieve this, we said definitely we will consider giving you the remaining amount, but in installments. तेंची मागणी आसली आमकां एक तरी इन्स्टॉलमेंटीक टू इन्स्पायर कॉन्फिडन्स. I told them definitely I will take it up very strongly with the Honorable Chief Minister, so they also get confidence. But I said don't wait for that. You also have to be partners in the growth of revenue of Kadamba Transport Corporation. Therefore bear with me that let us bring about efficiency, let us bring about automation in the ticket collection. Let us increase the revenue, and whatever additional revenue comes, that will go towards your betterment. As Kadamba grows, as the footfall grows in terms of collection, we will see that you are partners in that. So like this, most of the points have been covered, and I was extremely happy that they accepted what I said, and therefore the strike tomorrow has been called off.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.